While you're in your Canvas course, you may have noticed that you have all of these links on the side. Did you know that you can actually create a custom link to a specific website, web page, Google Doc, or something that you have your students use all of the time but isn't necessarily something in Canvas? We can do this using something called the redirect tool. What we need to do first is go into settings in our course and then go to the apps page. Normally, this is a link where it says see some LTI tools. So if it doesn't appear as a link, if you quickly refresh your page, now this little box will appear here and you can click on that. This is a site that we need, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It should open in a new tab, and in this area, we're going to search for the redirect tool. There it is. And we need to configure it with the website that we want to be redirected. For this instance, I'm going to actually use the Savvis Realize Reader. So while this is just a login screen, it is something that anyone that uses a Savvis textbook might need. And so rather than having it on my homepage, I'm just going to have it in my course navigation. So I'm going to click on the link and hit copy, and then go back to the App Center and delete this and hit paste. You can force this to open in a new tab if you want, or if you want it to stay in Canvas, we can do that too. And I'm going to check the box for enabling in course navigation. Down here at the bottom is the configuration URL that we're going to need to actually put this in Canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of that and then copy it. Now I'm going to go back to my Canvas tab, and I'm going to click on View App Configurations, click Plus App, and change this to by URL. For name, I'm just going to put Science Textbook. This is what will appear in the navigation, and then I'm going to paste that URL that I took from the other page and hit Submit. And I'm going to install the tool. And now when I refresh my page, you will see that Science Textbook is over here. If I want to drag it so that it's under syllabus or under modules, I can from that navigation tab on settings, and then hit save. And so now, when you click on Science Textbook, it's going to have this page be embedded for students. So if I go to Student View, they'll see this in my navigation. They can click here and then do the steps that they would normally use to log into this site.